Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313. Today we're exploring the 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo, a masterpiece that epitomizes Ferrari's commitment to performance, design, and innovation. This mid-engine sports car is a testament to the brand's engineering prowess and rich heritage. Under the hood, the F8 Tributo houses a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 710 horsepower and 770 Newtons of torque. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 2.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 340 km/h. Such performance figures place the F8 Tributo among the elite in the supercar segment. Despite its formidable power, the F8 Tributo maintains a reasonable fuel economy for its class. It achieves an average fuel consumption of approximately 12.9 liters per 100 kilometers, translating to about 7.7 kilometers per liter. This balance of performance and efficiency is a hallmark of Ferrari's engineering excellence. The exterior design of the F8 Tributo is both aerodynamic and aesthetically pleasing. The front S-duct increases downforce by 15%, enhancing stability at high speeds. Sleek LED headlights and a redesigned rear profile contribute to its aggressive yet elegant stance. Every curve and line is meticulously crafted, reflecting Ferrari's dedication to form and function. Inside, the driver-centric cockpit features premium materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara, exuding luxury and sportiness. The updated human-machine interface, HMI, includes a new steering wheel and a 7-inch passenger display, ensuring that both driver and passenger are engaged in the driving experience. Comfort and technology are seamlessly integrated, providing an environment that is both functional and luxurious. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo starts at approximately $275,000 in the United States. However, prices can escalate significantly with customization options. In the Middle East, for instance, the starting price is around AED 1272600. In the UAE, and SAR 119500 in Saudi Arabia. It's important to note that prices vary based on taxes, import duties, and optional features. Potential buyers should consult local dealerships for accurate pricing tailored to their specifications. In summary, the 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo is a harmonious blend of performance, efficiency, and luxury. It stands as a testament to Ferrari's unwavering pursuit of automotive perfection. Whether you're an avid collector or a driving enthusiast, the F8 Tributo offers an exhilarating experience that is quintessentially Ferrari. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.